Welcome to Minnesota, the land of 10,000 plus lakes,
hot dish,
and you betchas. For the next 10 weeks,
we'll be exploring A-frames, cabins, hotels,
to bring you guys the 10 most epic stays throughout the entire state. And this week, we're headed to Alexandria, Minnesota. Known as the birthplace of America, this cute city is one of the biggest resort towns in all of Minnesota. Although we're not gonna get into that story in this video, we are gonna bring you guys to our number 10 and final stay of our top 10 stays in Minnesota series. It's so cool. We gotta find room number 8 because we have the suite here in the grain bins. Now, if I'm being completely honest, I think we've saved the most unique stay in our series for last. As you guys can see, right behind me, we have a grain bin. Grain bin, silo, same thing?
I think so.
And we're actually gonna stay in it. We thought this would be the perfect way to end a Minnesota series with something that is so uniquely Minnesotan. Now, before we show you guys the inside, and hopefully before it starts to rain, I just want to tell you a little bit about the property. Gathered Oaks is actually a wedding venue and a property rental. And in addition to the amazing views overlooking the lake, there's actually 7 different rooms right here on site. There's a bonfire pit down by the lake. They also have an entire house that you can rent if you have a big group. Now to show you guys the inside. It's so cute! As soon as you come inside, you can see the extra little space that the suite gives you. We've got our own little half kitchen, I guess you would call it, with a fridge and a microwave. We've got a few wine glasses from the Carlos Creek Winery. We've got a nice little sink, and we've got this really nice little seating area where we can just chill, enjoy the view overlooking the lake, and with that, we're heading upstairs. Once you make it up all the stairs, which there isn't too many, don't worry, you make it to the bedroom, which we haven't tested it out yet, but it feels really nice and comfy. Coming further into the bedroom, we have our sink and of course our bathroom, which has everything you need. Plus, the views from the bedroom also overlook the lake. You can see the entire wedding venue from here, and I am so excited to be spending the next 2 nights here in a grain bin. It's literally just started raining. Luckily for us, we're going to dinner and it's like 1 mile down the road. It's gotten so windy out.
And cold.
We decided to make our way to Carlos Creek Winery because they have an excellent selection of wines and beers at their next door brewery. What'd you get?
Blowing my boot.
Did you spill?
Yeah, blowing it.
They also have some excellent pizzas and flatbreads, which is gonna be our dinner tonight. And then with the storm coming in, I think we're just gonna have a cozy movie night. So we've made our way to Nice Juicery, which is a spot that I've never been to before, but we had to check it out because if you guys know me, I'm obsessed with fresh pressed juices. I make them all the time when we're actually like at a home base. Food looks incredible, the food tastes incredible. We might have to come back tomorrow morning. That space was super cute. Highly recommend to stop at Nice Juicery. Now we're gonna go meet up with our special guest.
Surprise, surprise.
Hi, Della.
Hi!
This is so cold. Oh, you are taking a picture?
Yeah.
This is Eva. I need to go to the one place. Nice see you.
For those of you who don't know, this is my mom.
Hi, Mom.
Best mom ever.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that.
We're gonna go show her the grain bin. We're gonna go do some shopping, have some food.
No shopping.
And have a
No money. No money. No shopping.
And we're gonna have a great day exploring Alexandria.
Yes, we do.
After spending the afternoon exploring downtown, doing some shopping, grabbing some coffee, we decided to bring Mom back to the grain bin.
It's amazing. I never imagined this rain. I never imagined like this. Oh, how they can think this way. Wow. No corn.
While we're here, we're of course going to be having some kimbap. If you don't know what that is, then definitely go check out our last video. Good.
Once a while I made a cake. It's for your. We celebrate two things today.
One is your birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And then don't say my age. And then celebrate your 10 best Minnesota
Yeah?
place to go.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. To celebrate that. It's today's last one. I made it.
I know.
Cheers, Deborah.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Cheers. 2, 3. Ah.
The cake is really good.
Thank you.
So before we head out to Lake Carlos State Park, there's one thing we need to do.
We have to play our final game.
So far in this series, Tyler and I have been tied 4-4, and today is the final tiebreaker.
Who's gonna win?
What game are we playing?
Taco, cat, goat, cheese, and pizza.
Pizza.
Like a narwhal. Pizza. You almost won.
I was too excited about winning.
Cheese. Oh! Why did it take so long?
Good.
Cheese.
Deborah won.
Yes!
Good game.
That was a whole day.
I was almost there.
Won the whole 10 weeks. We ended up making our way to Lake Carlos State Park, which is just like a few miles down the road from the grain bins. We're gonna do some exploring. Are you ready for hiking, Mom?
Yes, our weather is so nice and it's free.
It's free, yeah.
Free.
Other than the $7 permit, it's free.
What are you calling me? What are you making that noise? Bird?
What tracks are those?
It's a wolf, he said.
Mom, what if we see a wolf?
What shall I do? I'm not going back.
She's going back.
Give me the key. I can make it in the car.
I think Tyler finally found a walking buddy.
Yep. Except she'll turn around pretty soon.
Someone is done hiking.
That person, someone, is me.
We're going back to the car. Tyler's gonna finish the hike and we'll see you in a little bit.
In a little bit.
So I'm not sure what that sound is, but I think it's either a grouse or an owl, but I can't see anything. But you can definitely hear them along this whole trail. You guys look like you're working hard.
Yeah, sitting out in the car, enjoying the sunshine. It's hard work.
I bet.
After making our way back into downtown Alexandria, we had the best time celebrating my mom's birthday. Where did you decide to go for your birthday dinner?
Pizza ranch. I love pizza.
I don't know who loves pizza more, her or Tyler?
Thank you, Mike and Bess.
For your birthday dinner?
Birthday dinner. I will eat a lot. Thank you.
We eventually said goodbye and came back to spend our last night here at the grain bins, and today we're finally heading home. We had the most incredible time showing you guys these 10 incredible states throughout Minnesota, and we hope you enjoyed the series as much as we did. As for us, we've got one more teensy stop before we actually head home. It was so good yesterday, we had to go back. And then we need to pack for our next adventure. So make sure to subscribe and we'll see you in country 34-ish? See you next week. Bye. What kind of cake is it?
What's this? Let me think. Forgot the name.
Do you know what kind?
Coconut pecan chocolate cake.
Wow.
Wow, sounds very good, huh?
Fancy.